Hello, I have no idea how to start this video, so I'm just gonna say that straight away. I am the mechanical wizard. My real name is Nathan, so you can just call me whatever if you comment. I just thought I'd make this video to show you my car, my little truck, tell you about my channel, and hopefully just a bit about myself. I've only ever had two cars, or one car and one truck. I passed my test 3 years ago, and then I got a little Ford Fiesta Z-Tech S, which is pretty good. It's still stock though. It's just got Escort wheels on it, which is pretty good. That's about it. Nothing done. Individual, so it's got like silver and blue seats, which obviously it's not that bad. It makes it a bit different. People look at it mainly to take the piss out of it, but oh well. Then about 6 months ago, I brought this little caddy, which is 1989 1.6, which it was about your average price. Needed a bit of welding, which is all done. And when I started doing like little bits, like my fuel gauge won't work, clock didn't work, just little like electrical bits with the cluster. When I was going on YouTube, I realised that there weren't a lot of videos to do with this caddy, like with anything to do with a Mk1 Caddy. It was all modified, different engines. There was nothing original, just completely nothing. I was lost. I didn't know what to do, what I was looking for. So I decided that I would start making videos. I've already full serviced it and everything else, but I thought, because there's nothing else, that I should start making videos for YouTube showing everyone how to do a Mk1 Caddy. So this is what I'm doing. As you can tell, making videos for you guys.